Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on AutoReel AI, okay? In 2025, static photos do not stop the scroll. If you want to sell a listing on Instagram Reels or TikTok, you actually need a video, okay? But if you're a real estate agent, you're not a professional video editor most likely, so you don't actually have time to, start flying drones and start editing videos, which are gonna take you a lot of time. This is where AutoReel comes into place, okay? This is a beautiful platform that is gonna allow you to take your standard, listing photos into a full video. I'm gonna show you how you can use it, okay? It's actually very simple. We are in autoreelapp.com and I'm just gonna go to my dashboard. Of course, you're gonna have to log in, but luckily you have a 7-day free trial that you can start right now, okay? And it's completely free for 7 days. So I'm just gonna go to my dashboard in here. Now, the first thing that I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to create a project. It's gonna take me in here, and I'm just gonna give this a name, okay? This is how it's gonna work. It's gonna be based on projects. So I'm just gonna give this a quick name, and I'm gonna click on next. Now, here's one of the coolest time-saving feature in my opinion. You can import from a URL. If your listing is already live on Zillow or Realtor, you don't even need to find the files of your photos in your computer. You can just paste the link in here, and AutoReel is gonna grab the high resolution photos for you, okay? So I'll strongly recommend you do this if you have a listing already. For this example though, I'm just gonna do it manually, so I'm just gonna click on this button and I'm gonna start uploading my images. Now, I strongly recommend that these are very good quality because the video is gonna be based on these images, so the better the quality, the better the result is going to be. Also, make sure to upload as many as you can. I believe you can upload up to 15 high quality shots of your, listing. And also make sure that they are sufficiently varied, okay? Like make sure you have variety in the angles, in the rooms, and all of that. I'm just gonna click on next now. But before that, you can actually click on AI edit in here. And what's gonna happen is that this is gonna analyze your image and it's gonna suggest maybe the best edits and the visual staging possibilities. So you can just click on analyze. You can, for example, remove all of the furniture or declutter and clean up the space and things like that, okay? You can also add like a fire or you can just do your own custom edit. But yeah, I'm just gonna skip this and I'm gonna click on next to create my video. So I'm just gonna drag all of my images to the selected images folder and I'm gonna click on next. Since we're making this for Instagram Reels, I'm gonna make sure to select the portrait resolution, okay? This is very important. All right, what you can also do is you can use some background audio. You can use the different engines, which I recommend you use B25, and the video resolution. Make sure that it is 180 if possible, but in my case, it's not available right now. Okay. You can, for example, add like an intro text and an outro text, and also select your own different fonts and your brand image, which I recommend you include. Okay, always include a brand image and upload your logo. Okay, I'm just gonna click on create video, but of course be much more detailed with this description. Now it's gonna start creating the video. It can take up to 5 minutes or so, and it's gonna send you an email once it's ready. Okay, so yeah. And this is the video that I got. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty cool. It has the watermark, but you can remove it if you have like a premium plan. I'm on a free plan, so I cannot remove it. But if you just click on here, no problem, you can remove it, okay? It's only 6 seconds because I only had 2 images, and it's not too complex because I didn't give it any prompts or something like that, or audio, but you can include those, no problem. If you're not happy with the result or you want to edit further, you can just click on edit and then studio. And whenever you're finished, you can just click on share to copy the link, and you can even download the video to edit it further, okay? Now, something that I love is that you can actually generate captions for Instagram. This is gonna create like a social media complete, hashtags and emojis. So if I click on Instagram, I can generate the caption, but this is again a premium feature. For these, I'm just gonna include some information like the number of beds, which is gonna be like 1, for example, number of beds, which is gonna be 1, location is gonna be Austin, Texas. And then I'm just gonna generate the caption, which is fine, and I can just copy it to my Instagram post directly, okay? So I have it ready with me. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.